Okay, we've got a 2016 Buick Encore, Quicksilver metallic in color. It's got 20,000 miles on it. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, first thing we notice, it does have the front park assist. It's got your turn signals and the side mirrors there. Nice chrome door handles. Driver's side of the Encore is in great shape. Does have the rear park assist as well and rear backup camera. It is an all-wheel drive Encore. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black and gray door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Alright, does have the Bose audio. Alright, got your memory seats here. Got the black leather trim, the gray leather inserts. Does have keyless entry. Alright, with remote start. Alright, passenger seat looks good. It is an automatic, okay? It's got your lane departure warning here. Heated steering wheel, dual climate controls, heated seats, CD player. It does have navigation and backup camera. Alright, and that'll be displayed right here, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Alright, and it also has collision alert as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 20,346 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you your home page here. Alright, those are all your apps. You can control it down here with the button. I'll show you that in a second. You can scroll through all your apps. Okay, let's get back over here to navigation. We'll go ahead and engage that for you. All right, and the backup camera. AC's blowing cold, no issues there. All right, now once again, got your CD player, entertainment system here. You can get back to your home screen here. Navigation, go directly to that. You just control everything by spinning this knob right here, okay? Then you got your heated wheel, heated seats, of course. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Back seat leather's in good shape. Does have the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. All right, carpet back here looks good. Does have another power outlet there. Okay, go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look in the back. Carpet back here looks good. Got the sunshade here. Spare tire there. Okay, I'll step to the side so you can see the depth, how much room you got back here. Well, plenty of room for a smaller SUV. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. Tires are still in good shape. All right, once again, so 2016 Buick Encore. It's got all the bells and whistles, 20,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.